Hello, and welcome to the third edition of Recipe Up, brought to you from the SoCalGas Food Service Equipment Center, located in Downey, California. Our center is a great resource for the commercial food service customer to learn about using state-of-the-art natural gas-fired cooking equipment. In this video, we will showcase its key benefits of combination ovens, also known as combi ovens. Combi ovens are known for their flexibility by utilizing a large variety of cooking applications, production, and energy savings benefits.
Today, I'll be going over a unique combi cooking application that is utilized in food service operations and is considered a multiple cooking application and cooking step process. Combi ovens can cook in convection mode, steam, and the combination of both. Imagine if you could utilize one piece of equipment that not only could cook faster with quick temperature recovery, but in addition be more efficient. A combi oven applies highly efficient gas technology that brings heat efficiency on demand. Cooking with steam and high temperatures, utilizing smart controls increase that yield on your proteins by allowing operators to control cooking cabinet climate. The temperature ranges from as low as 85 degrees to above 550 degrees rapidly. A combi oven truly can control the environment of cooking so that any operator can adapt the technology to mimic new and old-style cooking methods in one piece of equipment. I'm going to recipe up crispy Korean pork belly lettuce wraps utilizing a gas combination oven. The benefits of cooking with gas include speed and efficiency, better burner control, high energy output, and reliable performance. This multiple-step cooking application process will slow cook the pork belly so that the meat becomes nice and tender before the skin gets crispy. Let's get started with the recipe. Due to time, I've prepared the rice earlier in the combination oven. Moving on to the pork belly. The pork belly was brined in onion, garlic, pear juice, gochujang, soy sauce, and fermented soybean paste for 24 hours. With this easy-to-use touch control pad, I have created a program that includes the steps that are provided in the shared recipe. First, I preheated the combi oven and it tells me that it's ready to cook. I place the product directly on the rack and insert the probe, close the door, and let the combi spring into action. Automated programs allow you to choose the desired type of meat, vegetable, or cooking application like braised, grilled, smoked, steamed, or a multitude of other cooking variations. This program will start off cooking with a high temp steam. The probe located in the product will trigger the next step in the cooking process. The automatic settings at the final cooking step will jump to higher temperature and remove moisture from the cooking cabinet to caramelize and crisp the skin. Combination ovens are efficient and could save you not only valuable hood space, but could save energy and maximize gas energy potential. Combis are designed with power burners and better door seals, and fan modulation make combi ovens more efficient. They allow the operator to maximize the cooking space in the kitchen while expanding their menu. Combis could replace steamers, convection ovens, and rotisserie ovens, even griddles and various other pieces of equipment in your kitchen. They can save valuable cooking steps and processes for your team.
And that's the crispy Korean pork belly wrap. If you need more information about combi ovens or are interested in purchasing one, view our qualified product list, equipment inventory list, and manufacturer contact list on caenergywise.com to ensure you purchase a rebate qualified unit. You can also visit socalgas.com/foodservice to learn more about services at the Energy Resource Center.